Hey, what are you doing here?
Oh, hello. This is our electronics workstation, and I was just checking if this component is connected to my PCB. Earlier this was a hard task and I couldn't find what was the fault in it. But now it is a different thing because we have our own tight spectrum mount thermal camera. Let's say if I have a faulty component and I connected it to the power supply, you can easily see that this part of the PCB is heating up, abnormally heating up. I can also change the color schemes. This one is my preferred one, so I'll keep it now. If I want to find a temperature of this particular point, I can just point it and it will say 20 degrees centigrade, or a temperature of a particular line, highest to lowest. Or if I want to select just a selection of this part, I can also find that in it. I can also rotate the images to my suitability and set the value of highest to lowest points. And you can also record what you are seeing in the thermal camera using the record function in the app. And by turning off, it will save it in your gallery. With lot of electronics, the tight spectrum mount thermal camera is totally a game changer. As you can see, it records at a refresh rate of 25 Hz and has a resolution of 256 into 192 pixels. And did I ever tell you that it can record thermal images that are about 150 millimeters away?